by steel. The echoes of anguish are all that we feel. The roar of the beast in this metallic storm, where wishes dissolve and nightmares take form.